What's going on, everyone? Welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm talking about 3 easy ways that you as an Uber and a Lyft driver or gig worker can increase your earnings today. So if you like making money, this is the video for you guys. I'm gonna have a link below to these 3 ways, but I'm gonna make this video short and sweet and simple to the point. Number 1, the first best way. If you're not doing this, you should do it today. Play Octopus. This is a tablet you put in your car. Your passengers play games. In between the games, well, they play games because they can win cash prizes, and then in between the games they play ads, and you as a driver get a cut of that revenue. Most full-time drivers earn $100 a month. Super easy, simple, it's free. Use my link below. You'll get your tablet literally within a week or 2. You only have to do 100 rides in order to qualify. It's super easy. Number 2, we're talking about Solo. Solo is an app that, first of all, they pay you to $15 just to sign up with my link down below. That's nationwide. Oh yeah, Play Octopus is going nationwide too. So basically every driver can do this. Solo, $15 just to sign up. But not only that, they also have a guaranteed pay feature in certain cities. So that means if you go out and drive and you only make $10 in an hour, they're going to basically guarantee that you make the average average earning per hour. So that's really awesome. They also have estimated tax projections. They have a mileage tracker to help you save thousands of dollars on your taxes. It's really, really awesome. And the last one we're talking about is called Current. Current is an app that helps pay Uber and Lyft drivers 2 days faster when you sign up. So they also, not only that, they pay you money every time you fill up gas. So when you get the Current card, this is all free, by the way. All these things are completely free. Solo does have a paid version, but they do have also a free version nationwide. But with Current, you sign up, basically create an account. There's no fees, no account minimums, no credit checks, and every time you fill up gas, they send you cash back because they want you to use their app. That's how they make money, right? Because they gain their user base. Another thing with Current is that they pay you money in your savings account. So when you it's basically a savings account on steroids. So if you have money in your Current account, that grows at a 4% interest rate per year, which is incredible, which is the highest I've seen lately. So check out these 3 ways to start earning more income. And yeah, leave a thumbs up if you like the short video. Talk to you soon. Bye now.